Hi everyone. Hello. Hi judges. I'm Richard. We are Toppano. We are a company that doing virtual reality service for everyone. So what our service do? Well, that's the same question of asking why people taking pictures. But well, people taking pictures because they want to capture their life moments and share with their friends. That's the nature of capture. That's the nature of taking pictures, capturing and share. So today we have new technologies that can capture our life moments just like photos and videos can do. But it provides, that is virtual reality. Because virtual reality, we believe, is a new type of media that will provide a very different experience of capture people's life moments. And what kind of different experience? Well, it's an immersive experience that can capture the whole experience of your moment. And the amazing part, when you're watching it, you will relive your precious memories. So VR experience is amazing, it's cool. But how do we create VR content? Well, that's the problem. Because today it is hard to create VR contents with using your iPhone's camera or with your digital cameras. Because use those cameras, you have to take about 10 shots to create one single VR photos. And not to mention, if you want to create a VR experience, you have to take several VR photos. It's a tedious process, it takes a very long time. And the second problem is it's hard to share because the mainstream social network service like Facebook, Google Plus, Twitters, they do not support displaying VR photos. So that's why we built Verpix. It's a service for solving this problem. It's a cloud service, it's a website, and it's an iPhone app. It's built for easier share virtual reality contents. It's you want to make it easier, like you share photos as Instagram. So how to use Verpix? Well, it's easy. First, you have to use our app to connect to a commercial commodity paranormal cameras, and then you take several pictures, and then you can edit the pictures. You put some words, and you choose your filters, and you post to the cloud. And then you can share the post on your social network service. This is the three simple steps, just like you do with Instagram. So what if I want to follow our friends via activities? That also can be done with Verpix. Verpix is also a social network media that allows you to follow, search your friends' activities, and like their posts, and watch their VR contents on the app. So what if I want, so how does our friends viewing experience our virtual content, virtual reality contents on Facebook or Twitters? Well, Verpix provides a viewer. When your friends follow the link on your Facebook post or Twitter post, they will be redirected to our viewer website so they can experience your moments with you just using their browsers. So that's Verpix can do. So how do we making money? Well, of course, advertising, because we are running service. That's our goal. If you want to do advertising business, you need to have a massive user base. So that's the first thing we need to do. And that's the market size analysis. It's just for reference because we are currently building our first prototype. So our first milestone is to get we want to target to reach a user base that can get the market share of our serviceable urban markets. That's the mobile ad spending in Asia. That's 8.4 billion. That's a year. So that's just a goal. And this is our team constructions. We have 9 people, and on the one clock, that's our CEO and founders. Paul Kling is 19 years work experience and 8 years at IBM, and he's a cloud service system expert. And on the 7 o'clock side, that's our VR expert. He has a PhD of computer visions, 5 years working experience. And on the 10 o'clock side, that's me, 4 years at IBM as a cloud engineer. And this is our plan for heading to Japan. Japan is our first stop to go into international market. And we plan to hire some people about marketing March. And then we're going to do some marketing promotion on Japan on May. And we plan to set up a branch office July in order to preparing the coming launch events on September. And we want some assistance from the government of Fukuoka. What we want is talent, funding, and communities. Like we say, we want hiring marketing people that knows about Japanese market and cultures, also the language skills. And we also heard that Fukuoka is the VR community are doing very good in Fukuoka. So we are like to engage with them if the government can assist them to introduce us to them. And thank you.